Horses out, Rhea Olympus Queen. Best to begin, moving up on the outside, Tabel, King Theodore, then followed by Pulalas and Bugs. We have King Theodore now takes the lead. Olympus Queen in second. Ebox is racing in third. Flawless and Tabel is racing in last. Now we have King Theodore goes on by about 3 lengths. Olympus Queen in second. Ebox is down in third. Flawless in fourth and Tabella. And that's still King Theodore by about 5 lengths this time. Olympus Queen remains in second. Ebox in third. Flawless. And a long way back to Tabella. And that's still King Theodore by about 7 lengths now. And in second, Olympus Queen, Ebox moving up, Flawless and Tabella. And it's still King Theodore by about 7 lengths. And in second now is Olympus Queen, Ebox, Flawless and Tabella. And it's still King Theodore by about 7 lengths. Flawless now moving up to take second, Olympus Queen, down on the inside is Ebox and Tabella. As they come down at the last 150, and it's still King Theodore by about 6 lengths. Flawless in second, and in third Olympus Queen, Ebox, but it's still King Theodore by about 2.5 lengths. Flawless now in second. King Theodore, Flawless is on the outside. King Theodore, Flawless on the outside, and entering the finish line, it's going to be King Theodore, Flawless, Olympus Queen, Ebox, and Tabel.
Nerve-wracking victory by King Theodore.